You've all seen it. Someone casually says, "I only sleep 4 hours and feel amazing," while you get 9 and still wake up exhausted. So why does that happen? Psychology and real sleep science actually explain it pretty clearly. First, the brain cares far more about sleep quality than total hours. From a psychological standpoint, the brain doesn't really count time the way people do. Instead, it tracks sleep cycles. Each cycle lasts around 85 minutes and moves through several stages. But 2 stages matter more than anything else. Deep sleep is when the body repairs muscles, strengthens the immune system, and releases growth hormones. REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep, is when the brain processes emotions, stores memories, and fuels creativity. When these stages are balanced, the body can feel fully restored even after just 5 or 6 hours. But when sleep is disrupted by blue light, caffeine, or stress, the brain struggles to reach deep sleep or REM properly. That's why you wake up feeling heavy, foggy, and unfocused. Psychologists call this fragmented sleep. The body may be resting, but the mind never truly recovers. Second, you need to sleep and wake at the same time every day. In psychology, this is tied to the circadian rhythm, the brain's internal body clock. When sleep and wake times constantly change, the brain gets confused about when to release melatonin, the hormone that controls sleepiness. But when you keep a consistent routine, say, going to bed at 10 p.m. and waking up at 5 a.m., the brain learns the pattern. It begins releasing melatonin naturally, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. It's like training the brain to trust the schedule. Third, you should follow the 85-minute rule. Sleep research shows that waking up in the middle of a cycle increases sleep inertia, that groggy, slow, heavy feeling in the morning. But waking up at the end of a 85-minute cycle allows the brain to transition smoothly from sleep to alertness. That's why planning sleep in blocks of 5, 6, or 7 hours works better than sleeping random lengths of time. The difference is noticeable almost immediately. It's biology working with you, not against you. Fourth comes the 5-4-3-2-1 power down rule. The brain needs a clear signal to slow down before sleep. Psychologists call this cognitive offloading, a way of telling the nervous system it's safe to rest. 3 or 2 hours before bed, you should avoid heavy food, since digestion keeps the body active. 2 or 1 hours before, you should stop working or solving complex problems. 1 hour before, screens need to go away. Blue light blocks melatonin and keeps the brain in an alert state. Instead, stretching, journaling, or listening to calm music helps shift brainwaves from beta, the active state, to alpha, the relaxed state where sleep begins naturally. Fifth, you should use morning sunlight to reset the brain. The first 15 minutes after waking play a major role in determining alertness for the entire day. Psychologists link morning sunlight to serotonin activation, the chemical that boosts mood and focus. Stepping outside right after waking, without a phone, exposes the brain to natural light. That light resets the circadian rhythm and helps you feel awake without needing caffeine. As a bonus, movement and cold water can help. Quick physical movement or cold exposure activates the sympathetic nervous system, releasing dopamine and norepinephrine, natural energy boosters. Within 5 minutes, mental clarity improves and the morning fog fades. Finally, there's the mindset shift. Psychologically, people who see sleep as laziness often struggle with burnout and emotional instability. Sleep isn't a weakness. It's the brain's recovery mode. It restores focus, regulates mood, and sharpens decision-making. So instead of just sleeping more, you should sleep smarter. When the brain is truly rested, the mind becomes unstoppable. This is unordinary psychology. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell.